Hi, in this video I'll show you how to quickly replace text in multiple Word files using our portable Excel tool. You just copy the tool into the folder where your Word documents are located. No setup is required. I just copied the file here. I wanted to find and replace in these documents. You can have n number of documents here, hundreds of documents if you wanted. I'm just opening it. As soon as we open the file, it will identify the location where it is copied, and it will start finding all the Word documents here. It may be a .doc file or .docx file. It will find a replace process. Now I wanted to find the value of John and replace with Alex, minimizing cost with effective savings. So I'll just open up the file to show you. I have Alex here and effective savings here. I wanted them to be replaced with my new text. So now once the entries are made, you just have to click on the if we click on yes to continue, start processing. So it has completed. Total number of doc files processed is equal to 2. So now let's go back and see the files whether it has really done the job. You can see that Alex has come here, John has been replaced with Alex, and then the minimizing cost should be replaced with effective saving. You can see that it has been replaced. So that's all about this tool. Thank you very much for watching.